video because I feel like you guys don't believe me when I say 5-minute face, that it only takes me 5 minutes. So I wanted to put myself to the extra challenge and do a 5-minute face in 3 minutes with a timer to prove to you that I can achieve what I'm saying within 3 minutes. I actually don't know if I can do this. I've never really actually timed myself, but I do know that my speed in which I can get ready and do my makeup is like no time at all. But I don't know if it's 3 minutes. So I'm gonna put on my timer. I pulled a couple of the products that I feel like will just be like fast, efficient, do the thing, move on. Also foolproof, and like some that they do multiple things. So multi-use products and as minimal amount of product as I possibly can, just for sake of time. Oh my God. Okay, so let's see, where is my clock? So I'm gonna set a timer on my phone, 3 minutes exactly. And I think I'm ready. Okay, ready. Wait, what am I doing first? Let me think about it. Okay, ready, set, go. I'm gonna start off with the tinted SPF. It's a 3-in-1 SPF moisturizer, mineral, all the things. And I would love to let that set down for a second, but we're gonna move on. This is my Merit stick, and I'm just gonna use that as my concealer and as my foundation all over, like so. Okay, then I'm gonna use this, buff it in. We're at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh my goodness, okay. I mean, all we gotta do is just buff this in, and once this is buffed in, we get our blush on, we're cruising. Okay. That is the easiest stick to use, and I have relatively dry skin, so the fact that, as you can see, my skin is flawless, my under eyes are concealed, and it took no time at all. I can't open it. Okay, Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm just gonna lift up my brows with brow gel fast. And then I have this little duo from Dibs, so I'm gonna use a little bit of a bronzer here, contour moment. The other side is blush, so I'll just put that on right here. Okay. Blending in, blending in, blending in. I'm gonna also try to make this not look terrible. Like that's also the whole point, right? Like to show you that you can do it in no time. I have 1 minute left. Honestly, we're cruising. For lips, Charlotte Tilbury. This is Iconic Nude. Done. And then Kosas Unbuttoned Little Lipstick kind of vibe. Darker than I wanted, but you get the idea. Lash curl, 54 seconds. I want to powder under my eyes with a little bit of my setting powder. Keep it from creasing under my eyes, on my lids, in my tear zone. Boom. 30 seconds. I'm gonna do it! This is so crazy. I literally did my makeup in 3 minutes. Okay. 22 seconds. I have extra time, you guys. I just finished. I did my makeup and it looks so freaking good. And I literally did it and I have 10 seconds to spare. Spraying my face with my Rare Beauty setting spray. Boom. Oh my gosh, I did it. Timer's off. That was fun. I love a good challenge. You guys, I mean, this looks good. If anything, I just wanted to blend this in a little more. I'll put all the products that I use down below. Look how glowy my skin is. I have 2 things to thank for a glowy skin look. This is because it's a primer, moisturizer, and sunscreen all in one. It's also an 18.23% zinc oxide count, so it's a really, really good SPF and protects against all UVA and UVB rays. And it doesn't have a white cast, and it hydrates, and it moisturizes, and it primes, and clearly it does such a good job. And then this spray is a 4-in-1, so I love that it does literally 4 different things. So it will refresh your makeup, it will hydrate the skin, it will set the makeup, and it will also give you that nice glow. So that is literally the makeup look. This stick is the Dibs two-sided stick. This is in Bloom Service. Bloom Service is the color. I could add a little bit more blush since we're here, but I really like, this is such a good product. I had just filmed my top blushes and all my top, I've just filmed all my entire blush. I just filmed my entire blush collection, and there's a ton of them. And I remembered I had this blush from Dibs, and I'm like, I used to use this all the time, and I didn't know why I ever stopped. I think just because whenever I get more and more product, I just have to try new things, and I kind of forget about the things that I had that I knew and love. But that's the makeup. I'm honestly just adding right now because I can, and I proved to myself that I can do that. But if I was to go back and make it look better, I guess I can just tweak up a few things and enhance some areas, but that's it. I feel like I really like it. Actually, I thought this lip was going to be too dark, and it's not too dark at all. It's Color Unbuttoned from Kosas. That felt hectic. The only thing I didn't do is a little eyeshadow stick from Ilia. I was going to throw that on, but I forgot about it. But I would have, and I would have had time for it. But that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this hectic video. Super fast 3 minutes, and I'll see you guys in the next one.